Welcome back. In this video, we'll build a simple circuit to control an LED using a push button. This is a great way to learn how to use digital input with Arduino. We'll walk through the parts you need, how to wire the push button with a pull-down resistor, and how to connect the LED safely with its own resistor. Follow the wiring diagram closely, and let's get started. Add your LED to the breadboard, making sure the short leg is in the ground rail and the longer leg is in a row. Push one leg of the 220 ohm resistor into the same row, and the other leg into a different row. Use a jumper wire to attach the resistor to pin 9 on the microcontroller. Use a black jumper wire to attach the G&D pin on the Arduino UNO to the negative power rail. Now add your push button. The button should straddle the divider with 2 legs on each side. Add the 10,000 ohm resistor to the button. Use a red jumper wire to attach the 5-volt pin from the UNO to the positive power rail on the breadboard. Connect the other leg of the 10,000 ohm resistor to the power rail. The adjacent leg of the button should be connected to the negative power rail using a black jumper wire. Now connect the button pin, that is on the opposite side of the resistor, to pin 3 on the Arduino UNO. Great work! Your circuit is now ready to respond to button presses and control an LED. In the next video, we'll write the code to make it all work. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.